Alright, so today I have something really interesting I would love to share with you. The 7 superfoods to prevent kidney disease and heal proteinuria. Now, if you have kidney disease or you have proteinuria, you will actually understand how important it is to support optimal kidney functions. But the good news is that nature offers us some incredible superfoods to help heal the kidney and prevent proteinuria. But first things first, let's understand what this problem is, proteinuria. Normally, our kidneys filter waste and extra fluid from the body while retaining the good stuff like the protein. But in a case where your kidneys are being damaged, what happens is that this protein start leaking into the urine instead of being reabsorbed in the body. That is proteinuria, and that is going to make your urine to appear foamy. So today in this video, we're going to talk about the superfoods that can help heal your kidney and prevent this problem. Okay, so let's talk about these foods. Now, the first food which I'm going to talk about is cruciferous vegetable. We're talking about kale, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and the rest of them. These vegetables are packed with a lot of essential nutrients, a lot of amazing micronutrients, a lot of vitamins like folate, vitamin C, and vitamin K. And the studies have shown that if you have chronic kidney disease and you have adequate levels of vitamin K, you actually have a better chance of recovery to those patients that are deficient in vitamin K. Now, what makes cruciferous vegetable really very important is that they are great source of this powerful phytonutrient called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is particularly very important for the kidney because it helps to repair the kidney filtration system, which is the glomerulus, which is where these proteins are being filtered and reabsorbed into the body. Alright, so by taking cruciferous vegetable, which is a great source of sulforaphane, that is going to help prevent proteinuria. And the other good thing about sulforaphane is that it helps upregulate the production of antioxidant enzymes. And then why this is also very important is that one of the major destroyers of the kidney is actually the exposure of your kidney cells to free radicals, to oxidative damage. So by taking cruciferous vegetable, which are great sources of sulforaphane, that is going to help counter the damaging effect of these free radicals, and that can help heal your kidney. Sulforaphane is also very anti-inflammatory. It can also help detoxify your kidneys, okay? But the fun fact is that this sulforaphane is actually not produced in this vegetable in the natural form. So how this sulforaphane is produced is when you chop this vegetable, when you chew them, or when you blend them. This destruction process is going to cause a molecule in this vegetable called glucorophanin and the enzyme myrosinase. This molecule and these enzymes are actually located in separate form. So when you chew them or when you blend them or when you disrupt this vegetable, that is going to cause them to come in contact with each other, sparking up a biochemical reaction producing sulforaphane. So it's a very simple process. First of all, you have to chop them, you have to blend it, or you have to chew it. That is going to cause this molecule to come in contact that results in the production of sulforaphane. So what I like to do is to chop this vegetable into my salad because that is a great way to activate this important nutrient. Alright, so the second food that you have to be eating to prevent proteinuria is garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound with remarkable benefit for the kidneys, and the studies have shown that this allicin helps reduce inflammation. It acts as antioxidant. Okay, it helps to reduce bacterial load in your kidney. That's because it is antimicrobial, and also it has detoxifying properties. It can help detoxify your kidneys. It can help clean your kidney from toxins. So allicin is a very powerful compound. And the other nutrient you can get by eating garlic is that it's a great source of vitamin B6 and manganese, which also play crucial roles in maintaining optimal kidney health. Alright, so what I like to do is to take a clove of garlic and then I'm going to crush it and put it inside water and then drink it. That is going to help eliminate all of those pungent smell. Okay, now number 3 is by eating blueberries. Blueberries are a fantastic source of this antioxidant called anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is very anti-inflammatory. It can help reduce inflammation in your kidneys, and then it's also very low in phosphorus, which makes it a very important food for supporting the kidneys. But the other thing that makes this nutrient very important is that it helps reduce your blood pressure. It helps reduce stiffness in your arteries. These two benefits can help benefit your kidneys. That's because when you have high blood pressure, when you have problem with your arteries, that can actually damage your kidney. Okay, so if you are looking to recover from kidney problem, if you are looking to heal your kidney, you have to be eating blueberry. So what I like to do on blueberry is that I just take a frozen blueberry, I'm going to put it inside my blender and then add it to my smoothie. That is a great way to get all of these nutrients. And the type of blueberry I would actually recommend you start taking is the white blueberry. That is actually more nutritious and contain high amount of anthocyanins. Alright, number 4 is by taking olive oil. Now, one of the biggest mistake you can make if you have kidney problem, if you have proteinuria, is by eating all of those unhealthy oil like seed oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, soybeans oil, and the rest of them. These oil are actually pro-inflammatory. They can cause inflammation in your kidneys, okay? So the best type of oil I would actually recommend if you have a kidney problem, if you want to prevent proteinuria, is olive oil. Olive oil is very anti-inflammatory. That's because it's a great source of this monounsaturated fat called oleic acid, and also it's a great source of vitamin E. Okay, vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant, and oleic acid is actually one of the most important fats that can benefit your kidneys. Okay, so make sure to start taking olive oil instead of those unhealthy oil that are pro-inflammatory. Alright, so the number 5 food that you must start to eat is red bell pepper. It's a very important superfood for the kidney, and what makes it really important is that it's a great source of vitamin A, it's a great source of vitamin C, and it contains a lot of B vitamins. All of these nutrients can support your immune system. If you have a healthy immune system, that actually translates to proper kidney function. Okay, so by taking advantage of red bell pepper, you can actually support your kidney health. And red bell pepper also is a great source of lycopene, which is a very important nutrient that can help reduce inflammation. And if you are a man, you have an enlarged prostate, studies have shown that this lycopene can help reduce inflammation in your prostate. There are a lot of clinical trial studies on this. Number 6 is arugula. Arugula is a green vegetable that is not just delicious, but also packed with a lot of essential nutrients that supports the kidneys. And then one of these nutrients is nitrate, which has been shown to improve blood circulation and also reduce blood pressure by dilating your arteries. Okay, so by doing this, it can actually help protect your kidney. It can actually help prevent kidney problem. And the other thing about arugula is that it's a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are very powerful antioxidants that can protect your kidney cells, that can help heal your kidney cells against oxidative stress and oxidative damage. All right, so what I really like to do about this vegetable is to slice it into your salad. That is one of the best way to eat it because it is fresh and then it has all of these nutrients intact. All right, so number 7, which is the last food on the puzzle, is pineapple. Pineapple is an unnoticed superfood that is very good for the kidney. A lot of people ignore this food thinking that it is not good for the kidney. I don't know their reasons, but pineapple is very good for the kidney. It can help prevent proteinuria. It can help heal your kidneys. That's because it's a great source of vitamin C, which can improve your immune function. But the really important thing about pineapple is that it contains this compound called bromelain. Bromelain is a digestive enzyme that helps dissolve kidney stones. So you can see that by eating pineapple, it can actually help prevent kidney problem. Okay, this compound also has a lot of additional benefits. So taking advantage of pineapple, which is also very high in fiber, can actually do a lot for your kidneys. So these are the 7 superfoods that you must start to eat if you want to prevent proteinuria. Thanks for watching.